Good morning. Myself Pradeep Negi, Assistant Professor, State Institute of Hotel Management, New Delhi. Today we are preparing Mexican cuisine, and the dishes are ceviche and chicken tostada. So basically, Mexico is the place which is between the US and the Central America. It lies between the US and the Central America, and the major authentic Mexican food was bred by the Mayan Indians, and the staple food of Mexico is basically tacos, nachos, tortilla, your frijol beans, that is a Mexican bean that is used in the breakfast, and non-vegetarian such as pork, beef, poultry and fish. So today we are preparing two dishes. That is your starter is ceviche. Ceviche is basically a salad that is being prepared by the fish and pepper, onions, cilantro, lime juice. Then another dish is your chicken tostada. Chicken tostada is basically it is being prepared with the tortilla flour. Tortilla flour is either being fried or being roasted in the oven, and then all the toppings, that is your onion, capsicum, chicken, jalapenos, cheese, your shredded lettuce, that is being topped up on the top and is being gratinated. So it's a very delicious dish, and we serve it with salsa, sour cream or guacamole. So these are the ingredients for ceviche. We have fish, river water, fresh fish. We have slices of onion, capsicum, tomatoes, cucumber. We have lime juice. We have cilantro, and we have chopped jalapenos. So first of all, we are adding onions. You can add pimentos also, red and yellow pepper. That gives a nice color combination to your ceviche. Adding some tomatoes. If you want to add, you can add avocado also into it, but it's optional. And then the fish is the main body, so dices of raw fish. We have jalapeno chilies. We'll add some salt, crushed pepper, we'll just mix it all together. We'll add a little olive oil to it. And the lime juice. You can also make a vinaigrette of it. And the aromatic green leafy cilantro. Okay. So we have to soak it for at least in the lime juice for at least 2 to 3 hours, and till the meanwhile the flavor will be infused into the fish and other vegetable. So we'll keep it for 2 to 3 hours, and after that we will do the plating for it. So after keeping it for 2 hours, the fish and other vegetables are being soaked properly in the lime juice, and now we'll do the plating of it. So for the plating, So our ceviche is ready and is ready to eat. It's a very appetizing starter of Mexican cuisine. So for chicken tostada, we have chicken. We'll just saute the chicken with the garlic. We have onion, dices of onion, pepper. We have beans, kidney beans. So first of all, we'll fry all this, and then we'll garnish with the lettuce and the cheese and the cilantro. We have prepared this for the salsa. We have small dices of tomato, onion. We have pureed tomatoes. We have cilantro. We have jalapenos for that. So we have put the olive oil into it. We'll add some garlic. Add dices of chicken. Just cook the chicken. Some salt. Pepper. And some paprika powder. We'll add onion, dices of onions. Dices of chestnut. We are using kidney beans, so you can use fried beans also into it. Adding some cilantro into it. More salt. And we'll add some cheese. We are using cheddar cheese. And fried it for chicken tostada. So first of all, we'll pour the mixture of it on the top of it. Now we'll top it with some cheddar cheese. We we are topping it with some lettuce on the top of it. Again we are adding cheese on the top of it. And here chop cilantro. And jalapeno chilies. Now we will get it under the salamander. So chicken tostada is ready. Now we are cutting it. So chicken tostada is ready. The batter with the accompaniment dips are sour cream and tomato salsa.